Hey guys, we'll be back again to OSP Pro. This is OSP Pro today. Presents you with OSP IT Digital Solutions. Now, this is Uganda, guys. Anyone from parts of the world who is interested in OSP IT Digital Solution, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get to be in the board to know what is going on. Now, today I've come in with a new video that I'm going to show you something new to come up with, Lord. Now, the main thing that today we are going to look at the moment is how to install the simplest way, how to install one TensorFlow in Windows 10. Now, the first thing that I will talk about, otherwise, whenever you have to install TensorFlow, I know always when you could go to your command line here, when you always could go to your command line, you could always get up kind of challenges, you could always maybe say pip2, maybe install for me blah blah blah, maybe install for me TensorFlow. Most cases we tend to get challenges, which is the right thing, especially if you're using Python 2. This one here for Python 2. Now, always advise you guys, let us look at the shortest route. Now, the shortest route to get make sure that pip TensorFlow installed in your machine. Make sure at least you have something called Anaconda installed. So if you don't have, I advise you, if you don't have Anaconda installed, then I just need you guys to just start Chrome. So if you don't have Anaconda installed, so the best thing to always do is to make sure you go and you install. The first thing you need to do is to install Anaconda, because if you have Anaconda installed, it's going to give us all the privileges that we may need to use to come up with a good TensorFlow and all the modules and all the environment needed for the development. So just talk of maybe Anaconda download. So when you type Anaconda download, definitely it will take you to the Anaconda environment, whereby you'll be in position to download Anaconda. So you may be reading some kind of description here, and then just go into the open source Anaconda distribution with the easiest way to perform Python or other kind of development. That definitely will take you to the distribution page, and then otherwise to the documentation. So make sure you just go on and then you click on download, and then it will give you the format in which how you may tend to get your Anaconda installed in your machine. Now, the next thing that I'll talk about, if you already have that installed in your machine, I'll say just go and click on download. Then here you pick the type of Anaconda you want. I advise you, please make sure if you have to download for 64-bit, please download for if you are downloading for if you're using Python 2, Python 3 and above, please then just come and download this one. If you're using Python 2.7, then download this format. Now let me take you back if that's okay with you. So make sure you select Windows for the installation. So the next thing is to set the path for Anaconda. Now, when installation of Anaconda, it gives us all the privileges that set the path. You get add to the path. Otherwise, if you really happen to add Anaconda to the path on the time of installation, it will just take you, if you try to cross check, if you really come back here maybe on users OSP, then if you try to cross check, we shall be already having our Anaconda somewhere here. And when you try to click here, there are two things that we have to put in mind. The first thing that you have to put in mind is this thing called script. So if you click on script, then just copy this path and then add to the environment. Then the another thing that you need to do, I've said copy that path, copy it all, and then just now click on here, add environment, just like that, and then you click here. So this one definitely will take you to the add environment. Then you go to advanced system settings. From advanced system setting, go to environment, then go to path. Then you can now edit or add a new path like that. So when you click that, then definitely will be in a new position, or otherwise just click on the path and then just say new. So when you click new, then you just add your script. I think you can see mine is already there. So you just say new and then you add the path. Now if you're done with that, you close everything in your machine, especially everything. When I talk of everything, I mean all these other stuffs of ours here, and then that one. That implies you've already added your Anaconda to the path. So I think that's it. Now for you to install one on us, to install your TensorFlow. So to install the TensorFlow, since you already happen to have the path there, so the thing that you're going to be doing is just to run the following stuffs. You get? So you need just to say, maybe in a simple term, Conda create for me -u, actually create for me -n, and then tfp, then with the version of Python you're talking about, maybe Python 3.6, mine is Python 3.6, then talk of the Python 3 equals to 6. So then if you try to click that, it will take you to the stuff. Now the mine is giving that because I've already happened to install the stuff, the modules. Then that implies after then you just need to activate. Simply say activate for us the tfp 3.6. Get? So if you click that, definitely will be in the platform, and then after then the next thing you just have to do is to type one on us pip. Now pip install for us one on us TensorFlow. So if you do that, trust me, if all the things of yours you happen to write them very well, then definitely I think you can see I've just happened to install my TensorFlow. Everything is just installed as expected. So guys, thanks for watching this short video. If you find this video actually interesting for you, make sure you subscribe to OSP. So if you know this is your first video for machine learning, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you always remain updated and inform your friends. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you love you guys next time. Thank you.